bury my child. I had already buried a child before, and I don't want to go through that again.
As you just heard, a mother is scared for her son's life after he became one of nearly 100 inmates to test positive for COVID-19 at the Danville Correctional Center. Good evening, I'm Paul Cicchini. Between staff and inmates, there are more than 130 people fighting the virus right now. WCIA3's Jen Lask joins us live from the newsroom tonight. Jen, how is the IDOC responding to this?
Well, starting Wednesday, Paul, all inmates and staff are going to be tested roughly every 3 days or so for COVID-19, and they plan to keep doing this until there are no new cases found over a 14-day span. But the mother I spoke to of one of the inmates, Raymond Wills, says she's worried that won't be enough to protect her son.
As a mother, if he tells me something is wrong and if I could do something, I'm going to do it.
That's why Janice Johnson says she's been calling the Illinois Department of Corrections for nearly 2 weeks.
Yes, he is in prison, but he is still my son, and I still care about his well-being.
She's terrified by what her son Raymond Wills told her. He gets an N95 mask each week and says inmates are sharing showers.
He told me that they're doing a lot of coughing and grossing, spitting in the shower, and he said he won't take a shower because it's not clean.
Last week, Wills, who is prone to blood clotting in his lungs, became one of dozens of inmates to test positive. Nearly 40 staffers also have COVID-19. I asked County Health Director Douglas Toole about concerns of community spread happening when staffers at the correctional center leave after work.
We are finding a lot of people when they're out in the community at their jobs, wherever it is. That's a real good opportunity to pick up the virus, so be careful so you don't bring it home.
He doesn't know with certainty of any staffers spreading the virus after going home. However,
I think most workplaces in this county have been affected by COVID by this point.
As for IDOC, officials say each correctional center has a designated safety officer focused on making sure staff are wearing PPE and practicing social distancing. Johnson has a message for other parents and siblings who may have someone they love behind bars.
Check on your children. That, to me, that tells the prison warden, the administration, that you care about your kids.
And when it comes to staff at the correctional center, Johnson wants to make sure it's not just about procedure, but about protecting everyone, guilty or innocent.
Do what you're supposed to do, because they are human beings. And everyone should get care, medical care, because it's killing people left and right.
All of the correctional facilities in the state of Illinois have been on administrative quarantine since March, but now because of these COVID cases happening at the Danville Correctional Facility, that is one of the ones that has been moved to medical quarantine. Back to you, Paul.
All right, Jen, thanks for that update. As of the latest update tonight, 97 inmates and 39 staff have COVID-19 in Danville. In total, more than 1,200 inmates and 464 staff across the state have the virus as well.